Hi, I am Prasandeep and today we'll be learning about HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a markup language and not a programming language. It is used to structure a web page and its content. So, never ever refer to HTML as a programming language because that is very untrue. It has nothing much to do with programming, as it cannot be used to write business logic or to perform mathematical calculations. And what do we mean by hypertext and markup? Hypertext refers to a word, phrase, or chunk of text that can be linked to another document or text. Markup is what HTML texts do to the text inside of them. They mark it as a specific type of text. So, hypertext is an interconnected network of documents linked together, and it allows users to jump from one document to another. In HTML, users can jump from one HTML document to another HTML document with the help of links. Let's try to understand what a markup is with the help of this example. We see that markup elements are represented by angled tags. Here, this is a tag and this tag is a person tag. So, it describes this whole thing as a person. Similarly, here we see a name tag. And tags come in pairs. This is the starting tag and this is the closing tag. So, this markup defines this text to be of the type name. HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. Now, we will create a simple Hello World HTML document. In order to create an HTML document, we need to create a file with .htm or .html extension. So let's give this file a name of Hello World. So this is our HTML document. Let's open this document in a text editor and we will be using Notepad as it is simple and lightweight. Every HTML document contains the HTML tag, and every HTML tag has a starting tag and a closing tag. Well, some HTML tags can be self-closing like the BR tag, but that will be out of context of this video and we won't be discussing about them. So, inside HTML tag, we always have the head and the body tags. Inside the head tag, we have elements that define the HTML document itself. So let's see an example. The title tag. The title tag gives a title to the HTML document. Let's give it a title of HTML document. And inside the body tag, we have elements that actually get rendered in the browser. For now, let's just write a simple text, Hello World. Let's save this and open it in a browser. So here we see hello world. So this is the HTML tag that surrounds the whole document, and the title, it appears here, HTML document, and the title tag gives the title of the document, as we can see here, and whatever is contained inside the body tag will be rendered in the browser. So this is a simple hello world document in HTML. One important thing to note is that the first line of code of every HTML file is the Doctype Declaration. It tells the HTML document about the HTML version. So this doctype over here, it tells the HTML document that this is HTML5. So here is a note, and this doctype actually tells the HTML document that this HTML document is of version 4, which has been replaced by HTML5 that we have seen here. So that's it for this video. Stay safe, take care.